Welcome. Today we are exploring the concept of seasonal variation. This is a fundamental component of time series analysis in statistics and probability. We see it everywhere in the world around us, from the weather to the stock market. So, what exactly is it? Seasonal variation refers to the predictable, recurring fluctuations that happen in a dataset within a period of 1 year or less. Unlike random changes, these are patterns that repeat like clockwork. Why do these patterns exist? They primarily come from two sources. First, natural factors like the weather. Think about how temperature affects crop growth or energy usage. Second, institutional factors like holidays, tax deadlines, and social customs that create rigid schedules for human behavior. If we plot this data on a graph, it looks like a wave. Notice how the peaks and troughs happen at roughly the same time intervals. In this chart, the blue line represents the actual data, showing a clear repetitive cycle year after year. Let's look at a classic example: retail sales. Almost every year, there is a massive spike in sales during the fourth quarter due to the holiday season. Store owners know this is coming, so they stock up on inventory in November to prepare for the December rush. There are three main characteristics to remember. 1, it has a fixed frequency. The pattern repeats every 12 months or 4 quarters. 2, it is short-term. The cycle completes within a year. And 3, it has a predictable amplitude, meaning the highs and lows are generally consistent relative to the trend. It is important not to confuse seasonality with other components. A trend is the long-term direction, either up or down. Seasonality is the short-term repetitive wave. Cyclical patterns are longer, irregular waves that last for years, like an economic recession or boom. Why do we care? For businesses, understanding this is crucial for accurate forecasting. You cannot plan your staffing or budget if you assume every month will be the same. You need to account for the busy seasons and the quiet ones. Statisticians often perform a process called deseasonalization. This involves mathematically removing the seasonal component from the data. This allows us to see the true underlying trend and determine if a business is actually growing or if it is just a busy time of year. To wrap up, remember that seasonal variation consists of regular patterns within a year caused by weather or customs. Identifying these allows for better planning and analysis. By separating the season from the trend, we gain a clearer picture of reality.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.